A restaurant manager discovered his boss was stealing from workers and washing dirty money through fake orders. The owner had been like a father to him, gave him his first job, taught him the business, trusted him with everything, but the evidence was everywhere. Employees paid $3 an hour, receipts for meals never served, cash flowing through accounts that made no sense. He could have stayed quiet, kept his job, looked the other way. Instead, he spent months gathering proof. Federal agents gave him a wire. He recorded meeting after meeting. The threat started immediately. His family was followed. Envelopes of cash appeared on his doorstep. When the arrest happened, he lost everything. His job, his income, his safety. But dozens of workers got their stolen wages back. A crime ring was destroyed. 6 months later, a respected restaurant group hired him as operations director. They wanted someone with unshakable integrity. Today, he helps write industry standards that protect workers across the country. One choice to do right changed thousands of lives, including his own.